this past month, I made over $2,000 selling digital products, coaching, and doing other things. Also, this past month, I made over $300 with YouTube ads revenue. You see what I always tell you guys, that you cannot solely depend on YouTube ads revenue for as a source of income. And when everybody is saying, I want to get monetized, you can see that that is not the long and short form of it. As a matter of fact, in my other channel that has not been monetized, I have gotten over $900 coaching other moms, but the channel is not monetized. So today I'm going to come hunker down on you again. See, my aim is to make sure that you guys are not just chasing monetization, right? Reason is this: the reason you're chasing monetization, you will be so surprised or maybe disappointed at the end of the day when you get there and you realize that you're not making the amount of money that you want to make. Successful content creators that are making money off of the internet do not solely depend on YouTube ads revenue. So the thing with YouTube ads revenue is that it fluctuates. Sometimes it's up there, other times it's down, right? And if you've been banking on YouTube ads to support your creative journey, this is your wake-up call, right? My aim on this channel is to make sure you know that you can make money without even being monetized. I keep telling you guys, I made my first $1,000 when I was not yet monetized on YouTube. And so this is what I want to be the reality for YouTube. Now let's break this thing down, right? You get a percentage, right, of the money that advertisers pay to YouTube per 1,000 impressions, right? So it's the CPM, the cost per mil. It's different from the revenue per mil. That is the revenue that YouTube gives you. Now let's take, for example, if somebody pays, if an advertiser pays YouTube $10 per view on your channel, you're probably going to get like $2 out of it, or maybe $3 out of it. So one way, if you want to depend on ads solely, you have to be within a niche that earns like high CPMs, and that way your RPM can also be high. Now that sounds simple, right? So for example, during the holidays, right, the revenue that YouTubers get from ads revenue is usually higher than other days, because during the holiday season, advertisers are willing to pay more. But what's the solution, you ask? Diversify. That is the solution. Now let's explore other income streams that you can tap into as a creator. I know I created a video similar to this a few days ago. Yes, because my aim, I know most people are subscribed to me because they want to learn how to get monetized quickly. But getting monetized quickly is not the long and short form of it. Now, I also want you to know that if you focus on getting ads revenue alone, by the time you get monetized, you will just be churning out content that is not even valuable just so that you can get views. But you always want to provide value to people, like I said, right? Now, the first one I'm going to talk about that I earned money from this month is merch. I sold merchandise. You guys can see below my screen, I have merchandise, in it to win it. Now, I have sold some of those, right? And you get money from selling all of that. The next one, and the top of my list, will be digital products. My ebooks, my coaching calls, right? My digital templates that I sell on Etsy. Those things thrive a lot. The next one will be membership. Now, platforms like Patreon, Stan Store, which is my favorite, right, can let you host memberships and let your fans support you all the time. The next one that I got was sponsorship. I recently in the process of signing another channel sponsorship, a collaboration with another organization. Fingers crossed. I hope this turns out right, because it looks so good. When I tell you it looks so good, I'm not even joking. Okay, so that is another way. Now, the next one is affiliate marketing. You guys know that I link my items in the description box. My light, my microphone, my camera, it's all linked in the description box there. And whenever any of you purchase it, I get a percentage from that. Now, I made $100 with my affiliate marketing. I think, I can't remember. That income is literally passive at this moment. Now, your own services, consulting, coaching, courses, please do it. Don't think that there is nothing you can do. Don't think that you don't have anything to offer. You have a lot to offer. Now, when you diversify, you're not just making more money. You're creating stability. You're creating sustainability, right? If one income stream dips, others can pick up. And I can tell you, as an entrepreneur, you have days when your income is like that, and you have other days where your income is just down there and so discouraging. So it's important to have all these extra streams of income. Anyway, guys, I want you to know that little drops of water make a mighty ocean, and if making internet money is your aim this year and next year, just know that YouTube ads revenue is not the only thing you want to focus on. If you have problems with it, go to the description box, click on the link there, book a coaching call with me. I can help you, and we can work together to find a sustainable way for you to make money off of YouTube, even before your ads, even before you get monetized. Anyway, guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.